In a successful business, people make all the difference. We really do work together to give the absolute best service possible. Here's an exciting example of a 5-star experience we're happy to share right now.
On time and did a great job. Answered my questions and explained what was going on with the water heater.
So let us put our thousands of hours of dedication, experience, and 5-star service to work for you today. Come experience the difference. We're thrilled you had the chance to take a look at us. Don't hesitate to contact us at the number on your screen. We look forward to doing business with you.